With Russia continuing to send massive amounts of armored vehicles, here 2 tanks were charging, with Ukraine's drone army ready to stop the attack. With the first drone coming in from behind to have a better attack angle, flying over the following tank and hitting the leading tank perfectly over the engine section, causing the fuel to catch fire, resulting in the tank to get immobilized, making the second tank to retreat with multiple drones following after and striking the tank, not managing to immobilize this but damage it fairly well with multiple strikes, leaving one less tank for tomorrow. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.